It's the day before Thanksgiving. We have some time today, and we have been wanting to make this for a while. So we're going to do two kinds. We're going to do the iced, and we're going to also do the Frappuccino. Right, Ed?
Yes. This is probably going to be recorded and made on the day before Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I'm going to put it up tonight. Let's start with the Mocha Freeze. This looks so easy. We're just going to put some mix in the blender, some water, and some ice. So why don't we start with a bunch of ice?
Let's use this cup.
No, let's use this. We'll just put it right into this. Now we're going to put in, we need 3 ounces of water or milk per cup. How about we do a little bit of milk and a little bit of water?
I think just milk.
Just milk. Get the milk out.
Because this is being iced, so we won't have to heat it up.
Now, since we've never done this before, we don't actually know if it's going to turn out. This isn't expired, is it?
No.
We need 3 ounces of water. Let's get a measuring cup.
What kind? Water.
3 ounces. Ish. We got 4 people drinking it, so 3 times 4 is?
12.
Okay, very good. Let's just get it all right now.
Now
it claims there's a scoop in here. Oh, it smells so good. Smell it, Ed. It smells so good. It claims there's a scoop in there, so somewhere in here must be a scoop.
Mom.
Yep, the scoop is way down at the bottom.
1, 2, 3.
Keep going. Maybe
4, 5, 6. 6, 7.
he doesn't get any now. Ready? It's fixing to be loud.
Texas. It's looking good.
Nice and slushy. Now this time we're just going to give it a little blend. I'm not going to put too much on it this time. Just give it a little blend. Yep, I think that looks good.
Let me just taste test. My hands are clean.
Let's do a small taste test.
That tastes like Starbucks coffee.
Oh, I hope that's true.
That tastes like
It
Starbucks.
looks really good. Let's try some. Try it. Does it need more or is it good just like that? Let's pour everybody some. Bring our cups over here. Put your cup down too and you can get more. Okay.
It legitimately tastes like Starbucks. Definitely another one. That's you, though.
Well, it made a lot. We did enough for 4 cups and you definitely get 4 full cups. And then Ed wanted to do some drizzle on his.
Time for the drizzle. Oh.
Now, it would be really nice if we had some whipped cream. So if you're getting this, add whipped cream to your cart because these are so fun. And voila! In just a few minutes, according to Ed, you've got Starbucks tasting coffee. Easy peasy. This is truly delicious. It actually tastes a little smoky.
It actually does.
It's a unique smoky flavor, but really, really delicious. We did a little bit less of the flavor than it called for. So I think it's just a try it out until you get the right texture. And it's a lot of fun. Be easy to do with a big crowd. Ed named these
Peppermint Dreams.
It's because we dreamt of having peppermint in it.
It tastes like chocolate milk, but coffee.
It's good, isn't it? Did you like that mocha coffee from Starbucks yesterday?
Did you have Starbucks?
It's okay. This is better.
Yes! Success! We're back to do the second half of the bag, and the next one is iced mocha. Of course, there is a hot mocha, but we're not going to do that one. The iced mocha is so simple. We're just going to dissolve a couple of scoops over 7 ounces of hot water. So I'm going to give Ed the cups. He's going to fill them with ice while I get hot water. We brewed 8 ounces of hot water into a disposable cup just for ease. Of course, you could actually do microwave or put it in a coffee pot, however you do yours. We just did ours in the Keurig. We did 1.5 scoops. So today, let's just do the 2 full scoops, especially since it's going to be watered down due to the ice melting it. Let's do a little extra. No, I'm saying a little extra.
Last time we did like 9 scoops.
That's because we split it between a bunch of different people. This is 8 ounces of water. It melted perfectly, almost no stirring required. It was already melting into that hot water before I even did anything. Fantastic. Surprising.
Actually good? No?
Yeah. Oh, it makes 2 nice cups.
That's why we...
What are we doctoring them up with, Ed?
So first, we're going to put a scrumptious caramel glaze.
That's plenty on mine. I don't want that much. I'm going to put some chocolate chips.
Yep. Chocolate chip.
Oh, that's fantastic. Look how cute. Look how pretty.
Ooh, they're cold.
We ready to try? Let's cheers. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. May all your coffee taste better than Starbucks.
It's probably not, but it doesn't hurt.
It's pretty good, Ed.
I need just a little more caramel.
This is really delicious. I think whether you make frappuccinos, whether you make over ice, or whether you make it hot, you're gonna love it. But you know what? We can't really put it to the test until we've made it over hot. So let's do that. Let's do a quick one over hot and give it to my daughter.
Those chocolate chips are so crunchy.
This may be my new favorite at-home coffee.
Yeah.
It's not what I want to do in the morning because that's too much work. But as far as drinking for pleasure, this is it. Here comes the true test. Let her in here. Jay, give that a try. Tell us what you think. Yep.
Sippy. Sippy.
I'm a connoisseur of the.
You move over here and think about it. We'll come back to you in just a second. Now let's do the hot coffee. And for the hot, it says 1 to 2 scoops. Let's do 1.5 because we liked 1.5 just fine for the Frappe. And again, it just melted. Let's try this. Oh yeah, for sure. Everyone want to try this? It's so smooth. It's hot, baby.
Tastes good.
Tastes good, Jay?
It's very hot, so I
It
don't.
is very
I don't
hot.
like hot.
You don't like hot. Okay.
But I've got this.
Mom,
can you make one
of the cold ones?
Yep.
They're delicious. It's very chocolatey. I don't think it was stirred properly because there were a lot of chunks. But the chunks didn't taste bad. I mean, they kind of added to it. Maybe put chocolate chips in this.
That's what you were tasting was the chocolate chips.
It was very good. It's worse than the last one.
It wasn't as good as the Frappuccino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm taking it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna drink some. Oh, scorching! Super smooth, burns your tongue, but delicious. This one's the best though.
My daughter thought the Frappuccino was the best. I think the over ice is the best. It's my preferred method of drinking coffee. And Ed, you thought over ice was the best too? I think this is delicious. No matter how you're gonna drink it, I think you're really gonna love it. It's actually pretty filling too. This will be a lot of fun to make at home drinks. I hope they have some other flavors because I'm gonna try them all now.